Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Sorry I've been missing in action for a while. This is going to be a little unique. If you guys didn't know, I am into biking and this is my latest bike. Used to be into road biking, now this is more of a hybrid as I'm getting older, slightly older. I have a back issue and a hip issue, so I acquired this Urtopia. It's an assist. I bought it because where I ride is pretty much hills up and down. So when I do get the point where I can't pedal, if I go the distance, I can have a little bit of assist. This is level 1 assist, so it's basically you have to pedal in order to get anywhere, to even have the assist. So far I haven't needed assist much. Did 50 miles, 40 miles, a bunch of different. Just having the bike in carbon, it just soaks up the bumps. I'm able to keep the speed. So today's video is another DIY tip. As this being a unique carbon frame, I really love the design. Functionality is good. It's the 7-speed instead of the Gates drive, which is what I wanted for the hills. Comes really handy. The gate belt is more of a city bike. This is more of a long distance, hills kind of bike. The range is not that good on it, but again, I typically ride without assist in most cases, and if I do use assist just to get on top of some of the hills, it's typically level 1. So one thing about this unique design, typically all bikes for the price range this is, they come with some sort of bottle mount and all that stuff, which is universal in most bike case. This being a unique design, you're missing the center frame here that links typically where you can mount a bottle here, or a cage, bottle cage, whatever you want to call it, or you can mount it here. In this case, there is a strap stuff you can do here on top, have the bottle sitting like this, which is not ideal, especially if you do long rides, you need water. So I'm liking the design and everything. Didn't thought about needing a cage for the water bottle. When I looked at the website, it's a proprietary bracket. It's like $40 just to get a water, a cage to go on it. So me being me, after I got the bike, and I realized I don't have a cage for it, so I end up designing a small bracket. It's very simple. As you can see right there, the bottle sits in a center of gravity, which is where I wanted. And all I did, there was a factory screw here to mount the fender. If you can see this right here. So basically I made an L bracket. I already had a carbon cage, sturdy enough. Could use 2 screws, but in this case it's sturdy enough to hold only with one nut and bolt. And this is a washer. It's a locking nut, so it's got a plastic sleeves on it so it doesn't let it go loose. And front here, this is where the bottle was touching, so instead of having the frame rub off or whatnot, so I just put a little pad in here. This is a rubber pad. And single screw, it's not ideal to hold in place, so what I end up doing, use the 3M double-sided tape here. So in this case, this is pretty sturdy, it's not going anywhere. I've done a couple hundred miles with it already, so I figure share that in case somebody's got a unique bike, or Urtopia or any other brand that requires a cage mount, and you happen to have this fender mount screw here or anywhere around this lane, you can use just a single bracket. As long as it's sturdy enough, you can make it out of aluminum. I just had this piece of metal sitting here. I bent it to an L shape, mounted it here. The bottle fits perfectly, and it holds over bumps and everything. So the factory is right here. You take these screws, 3 screws, have a like a triangle bracket that comes down, and then you put the bottle here. And that, I didn't like it as much because it's not far enough to the top stem. So when you pull the bottle out, it's going to be a bit of into this channel here. So this works out better because it's free flowing right here. You just pull it out and you're done. And as far as riding goes, it works out pretty good. So hopefully that helps somebody out. Again, sorry, been missing in action for a while. Just got a lot of projects. I'll try to put another video up with all the updates. I just haven't had the time. Just been busy with house projects always. On that note, please like, subscribe, and share if you guys like these kind of videos, and have a great day. It's going to be a gorgeous one. We're thinking about doing about 40 to 50 mile ride. We'll see how that goes. Take care.